Me and my friend Tower of Creation came up with this awesome fidget jellyfish design, but then we made it into a keychain. Now keychains are really cool, but I had another idea. I printed over 100 of these in glow-in-the-dark filament, and I wanted a bunch of them hanging from a giant version of it. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. The 100 glow-in-the-dark jellyfish just finished printing. They look honestly beautiful. Well, let's take it off the build plate. This would have been so satisfying if I had a flexible build plate. I printed over 100 of these fidget keychains in glow-in-the-dark filament, but I needed one at 750% scale. This thing is absolutely massive. Let's take this off the build plate and check it out. This looks so cool. Let's see if it works. Oh, that's awesome. I then spent the next few hours tying together all these jellyfish, and I haven't gone fishing in many years, so yeah, it was a bit difficult and a lot more time consuming than I anticipated. Fully liking how this looks, so I think I'm going to take a couple of these off and kind of move them up and add some more. With that said, this is a pretty cool fidget toy. I might need to take some clips of doing this. This is just temporary, but I wanted to see what it looks like. So it's currently hanging from the light, but let's see what it looks like in glow in the dark. If you like cool projects like this, definitely make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications because I got a bunch of really awesome projects coming out soon.